Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 4 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install applications on this watch. So let's get started. If you want to install applications on this watch, there's few prerequisites you need to basically fulfill. The first prerequisite is to pair your watch with a phone. This watch needs to be paired with a phone for this to work. Also, you will need to have an internet connection on your watch, so I recommend to connect it to the Wi-Fi network, and you will need to have a Google account signed in your watch, or on your watch rather, so you can use Google Play services on your watch. To pair the watch with a phone, you can basically grab the phone, install the OHELF application, and pair them together. To connect your watch to the Wi-Fi, you need to open the settings on your watch, go to the Wi-Fi settings. Here you need to find the option called Add Networks. Find the network you want to add, tap on it, enter the password, and once you enter the password, the network should connect as long as the password is correct, and it will say connected on it. And to copy the Google account or sign into Google account on your watch, you simply go to the settings, go to the I believe it's going to be in Google, but I don't see Google here. Is it in general? Let's check general. No, not general, then other, I guess. Yeah, other, Google, and here we have accounts, and you can tap on it. And as you can see, I already have an account added, but if you don't, you can tap on Add Google Account and tap on this icon right here. And that's why you need to have a phone paired with your watch. Otherwise, also you need it, but basically you need to tap on this icon and the pop-up on the phone that is paired with your watch will pop up. You can select the account you want to pair with your or sign into on your watch, and then tap on continue, and it will basically sign in for you. And once you have the internet Google account sign in into your watch, you can basically download applications. And to do that, you open the Play Store on the watch, and in the Play Store you browse some categories. You look for something you like, and I'm just gonna open maybe the essential apps right here. And once you find the application you want to install, you simply tap on it and look, and basically you can proceed further. Do we have something not installed here? For example, Google Home. So you can tap on app. Here we have the info page of the app. You can check the reviews, screenshots, and stuff like this. And once you decide to install the application, you tap on install. It will start downloading and then installing. Depending on the internet connection, it might take a while. Let's see. Okay, so this will take a while for me, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, so the application is done installing. You can tell by the install button changing into open basically. And now you can open the app by tapping on open button here, or if you open the menu on your watch, the icon will appear in the menu and you can simply tap on it to open the app. Okay, and as you can see, this app requires us to basically install it also on the phone that is paired with our watch, and then basically to take on control, we need to set it up on the phone as well. Okay, so basically that's how you install the applications. You need to have a Google account on your watch, you need to have an internet connection, and then you can open the Play Store and look for something and then install it. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.